We have a simple but slight complicated problem here. My Resaw Capacity right now is about 5 3/4, and unfortunately this is an 8-inch board. We're slightly stuck. I need to resaw something that's 8 inches, and I only have a saw that saws 6 inches. We got to do something about that. So with this bandsaw situation, it really comes down to features. The Jet versus the Laguna. It's the Laguna 14-12 versus the Jet 14, and they're a very similar saw. The gantries are the same, fences are the same. One difference that Jessie pointed out to me was the Laguna had ceramic blade guides versus the Jet that had stainless ball bearing blade guides. The other thing was dust collection. The Laguna only has 1 port versus the Jet that has 2 ports. This decision is becoming a lot easier than I thought in the beginning. So let's stop talking and let's go buy a saw. So I headed back to Glendale, California to pay a visit to my friends at Eagle Tools. When it comes to buying woodworking tools in Los Angeles, they are the purveyor of high quality tools, and in this case, bandsaws. Having the ability to compare the Laguna and the Jet side by side was stoic. Allowing me to see the differences firsthand helped seal the deal. They wrote me up, and a few minutes later I was loading up my truck, heading back to the shop. Well, my amazing neighbor just installed my 220. We are powered up for the welder as well as the Laguna. But today we have this. This is the Jet 14. So now, basically time to put it together. This is up for sale right now, so I need to go ahead and put this to the side. This is the exact same place that the new Jet bandsaw 14 is gonna go. So now I've got the Jet put together. It's time to install a blade. I got a Jet, but I did buy a Laguna carbide tipped Resaw 3/4 inch blade because Laguna makes exceptional bandsaw blades. I wanted to show you the tip on this. Feeling the power of the Jet JWBS 14-SFX 14-inch bandsaws 1 3/4 horsepower motor as it ripped through my 100-year-old lumber was a dream. It was a great purchase and new addition to my shop. My workflow will be forever changed as it gives me more options and paths in which I can tackle a project. If you like my videos, then subscribe. Stick around for my next post. Share it with your mother. Do whatever you need to do, and I will see you next time.